machine! Yeah peeps, welcome back to the channel. They are Shero trucking services. Good while now, I say I'm going to do a follow up on a video there, but 9 to 5, I really get no much time to deal with this. So I pass through since season and say I'm going to do a check up, so I just walk around and show them a little bit of what go on. You see me? General there, they work on a machine and take off your head in and easy. You see me? Young general and easy. And I'm going to take off the topics and everything already. Yeah, was them I hear a knocking sound, so was a drop off here that fight, you see me? That's all I could preview, man. The Pro Star peeps. Progress of what going on so far. You go wiring run the money. I said them drop on the computer upon it, so then go start it soon. Yeah, whoop. I'm pray so I get to there when they go start. Not sure how my work schedule go set up yet, but yeah, them are going good so far, man. So yeah, turbo drop on. See me. So yeah, them are go easy even though. They want to move at a slow pace, which you can't argue with that, because when you rush things you make mistakes and left out things, you know, you get left out, and so the pace where they work at, you can't argue with that. But I say I make progress so far. You know? Couple of good things I said and do it, but man, true, I never have the time, I never get to come follow up on that. Hopefully, I hope say they're not going to open tomorrow, but I hope so by like maybe Monday we can find some time. Drop in and go and do a little video, but yeah, I'm saying I just want a little preview, man. You see me? Yeah, being there. See this here. I don't know if I work, you go work or not, but bad bean. And next bad bean over there. This way they work on a bad bean, see me. So our next bad bean in the car. I wish me in there when this is a general forward. Every time this man is up on the road, this man on a pass and a heal me up. One of them days I go bucket general and see if I can do a feature with the general, you see me? Machine!